LBS Government First Grade College, Nagar, is organizing a mega job drive for the academic year 2022-23 in association with Sub-Regional Employment Exchange, Bengaluru. More than 20 companies are participating in this mega job event, and MLA Sir, Honorable MLA Sir, A.C. Srinivas, Director of DCE, Dr. Appachi Gowda Sir, will be inaugurating the program. A platform for job aspirants of PUC, undergraduates, degree holders, postgraduate students are provided to select the job which is suitable for their qualification and different streams. It will be on 21st September 2023. And a person instrumental behind this in organizing this mega job fair event is Dr. Mohammad Manzoor Noman Sir, whose vision is beyond academic journey. His interest is to place our students, not only our students, different students from different colleges across the universities, can be alumni or those who are working part-time, will also be provided a job opportunity. So don't miss this opportunity to get placed in our good reputed companies, and your dream job is awaiting for you.
Your name?
Sir?
Good name.
I am Dr. Kavita Vani, Placement Officer, PG.